Today, I'm going to teach you how to fix Facebook business page followers not showing. This is a common issue that can prevent potential customers from seeing your follower count, which affects your page's credibility and social proof. Let's walk through the settings you need to check to get this resolved. First, head over to facebook.com and log into your Facebook business account. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your Facebook homepage. From here, look at the left navigation menu where you'll typically find your shortcuts. Click on your Facebook business page from this menu. This will take you directly to your business page management area where we can start troubleshooting the issue. Once you're on your Facebook business management page, turn your attention to the left navigation menu again. Here, you need to locate the settings option and click on it. This is where all the important configurations for your business page are housed, including the privacy and visibility settings that control who can see your followers. After clicking Settings, you'll be directed to your Facebook business settings and privacy page. This is the critical section where we'll make the necessary adjustments. The first thing you want to check is the visibility settings for your business followers. Look for the Posts option and click on it. Here, make absolutely sure that you've set your future posts to public. If your posts aren't set to public, it can affect how your follower count displays to visitors. This setting ensures that anyone visiting your page can see your content and engagement levels. Next, we need to check the followers and public content settings. This is where the main issue usually lies. Go through each line carefully, starting from who can follow my page all the way down to public page info. Every single one of these settings needs to be set to public. If any of these are set to private or restricted, your follower count won't display properly to visitors. Setting everything to public ensures maximum visibility for your page and allows potential followers to see your existing follower base, which builds trust and credibility. And that's it. By ensuring all these settings are configured to public, your Facebook business page followers should now be displaying correctly. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.